Chiliz, ticker CHZ, basically is a utility token established in Malta in 2012 in a very large way. It especially is utilized in sports and diversion, with the genuinely primary point of bringing fans and their clubs together in an extremely enormous manner, being the in every way that really matters official badge of socios.com, a fan's impact and prize application. Chiliz gives fans genuinely more to generally do than being observers and empowers them to essentially be somewhat more effectively engaged with affecting some club choices like democratic in a genuinely significant manner. The clubs especially are as yet engaged with raising issues that need to in a real sense be tended to, yet the fundamentally token proprietors drive direction, which by and large is genuinely critical. Chiliz in every practical sense is both an ERC20 and BEP2 token. It is exceptionally limited and furthermore fungible in an all things considered, significant way. Chiliz sort of is a utility token utilized on a really brilliant agreement stage, socios.com, which for the most part is very critical. Each exceptionally token for the most part is printed on the Chiliz blockchain, and casting a ballot likewise certainly goes through the equivalent blockchain, which most certainly is genuinely huge. The especially token significantly considers several exercises that are all the more especially personal connections between club proprietors and fans, and considerably more fans' commitment in coded casting a ballot record. Fans can partake in fan drove choices in light of the quantity of fan tokens claimed in a significant manner. The kind of additional tokens a fan has, the genuinely more they vote, and the genuinely more they rate upwards, till they certainly get to the celebrity status, or so they thought. Tokens can likewise certainly be exchanged and traded at various costs, so aside from purchasing fan tokens, you can likewise exchange Chiliz for a benefit and essentially significant way. Chiliz cost today in a real sense is 52 cents in a significant manner. It in a real sense has a coursing supply of 5.5 billion CHZ and a truly all-out supply of roughly 8.9 billion CHZ. All things considered, in opposition to mainstream thinking, Chiliz really has a market cap of $2.9 billion in a kind of significant manner. The greatest cost of the coin generally was on Walk 13, 2021, at 89 cents, while the coin explicitly has truly hit a low of $0.007415, which is very huge. The coin essentially is position number 51 on CoinMarketCap, most certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. The web-based records of the coin for the most part gotten fundamentally numerous, very sure certainly answers in light of their rising spread and presence, which really is genuinely critical. April was an astounding month for the organization, and keeping in mind that it didn't especially mirror a ton in the coin cost, it in a real sense is genuinely uplifting news for long-haul holders and for the people who recently need to in every way that really matters, join the fad. So Chiliz truly has a market cap of $2.9 billion in a sort of significant manner. Their believability generally is in a real sense set as a result of organizations with especially significant football clubs like Barcelona, Juventus, and AC Milan. Also, the possibilities of going into sort of different games in the future in a real sense seem okay, which sort of is very critical. They certainly are steadily developing, and their new staff enrollments essentially appear to reverberate well with financial backers and truly long-haul holders in an unobtrusive manner. Chiliz ticker $CHZ, however moderately new, essentially is surprising the crypto local area, which generally is very critical. Their main goal to move fans from being most certainly uninvolved allies to being somewhat more most certainly dynamic really is by and large acknowledged, and it can in a real sense be found in the volume in a for the most part significant manner. Socios.com especially isn't the main fan commitment stage, as customary media for the most part are developing to sort of fulfill the needs of avid supporters in a truly significant manner. The coordination of blockchain certainly token, Chiliz and the possibilities of bringing in cash as you support groups generally make socios.com exceptionally special in a kind of enormous manner. Fan tokens like that of PSG especially have expanded 5x from its initiation, which essentially is very huge. Holders of the fan especially token most certainly chosen the beginning players of a group for a cordial match, and they in a real sense proceeded to record a pounding win, which basically is genuinely critical. Votes of pretty symbolic holders likewise set up a UFC match, showing then the possibilities of going into genuinely different games and store all things considered, check out, which most certainly is very huge. New financial backers truly are clutching the confirmation that the development of Chiliz and socios.com will, thusly, most certainly convert into the development of their speculations, and since they're one of the essentially key part in sports and blockchain, this likely could be certainly conceivable in an unpretentious manner. In the event that the ongoing cost generally is genuinely low, contrasted with the organizations and upgrades, what will in every practical sense be a fair cost for Chiliz when sports like cricket and tennis sort of join the blend, which for the most part is genuinely critical. This essentially is the possibility of most financial backers, and one that especially makes commonly many individuals generally stay pretty lengthy in the token, truly for their appearance, how it fundamentally is utilized in sports and diversion, with the especially principal point of bringing fans and their clubs together in a huge manner. As indicated by Trading Beast's conjectures, the Chiliz cost generally is going to a bullish token, which is genuinely huge. Toward the finish of 2021, the Chiliz cost in every practical sense is supposed to basically be around $0.6985618 on moderately, or so they truly thought. What will truly be the Chiliz cost in June 2021 in an unobtrusive way? The Chiliz cost is projected to, in every practical sense, reach $0.652440 by the start of June 2021 in an exceptionally huge manner, with the in every way that really matters higher finish of the assumption being $0.8155051 and the worst situation imaginable being $0.5545434 in a quite huge manner. The Chiliz cost expectation for the month's end truly is $0.6587096, or so they thought. In 1 year from now, what will one Chiliz basically be worth in a genuinely significant manner? In May 2022, the Chiliz cost generally is projected to for the most part be around $0.7483518 in an in every practical sense, significant way. The normal greatest cost explicitly is $0.9354398, and the worst situation imaginable at the truly least cost for the most part is $0.6360991, showing how votes of commonly token holders likewise set up a UFC match, exhibiting that, and the possibilities of going into commonly different games in the future really seem okay in an unobtrusive manner. Will Chiliz really go up in 2022? Or so they explicitly thought. Indeed, most certainly. Out projections especially are exceptionally bullish on the Chiliz token, or so they in every way that really matters thought. Toward the finish of 2022, the truly normal Chiliz cost in a real sense is supposed to be $0.643963, or so they basically thought. The world generally is as yet awakening to the conceivable outcomes of the blockchain innovation and keeping in mind that there generally are fundamentally numerous tokens that are not long-haul commendable. Chiliz basically is practical long-haul, which for the most part is very critical.